Hi, my name is Uttar, and in this video, we're going to check out the Eleon Megh Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth speaker gets IP67 rating, it supports Bluetooth 4.2 for connectivity, and it gets built-in microphone, which means you can take voice calls hands-free. So let's get started with the unboxing of this speaker. So as you can see over here, this is the box for the Eleon Megh Bluetooth speaker. You can see the front design, the circular shape design of the speaker, and on the sides you have some of the features of the speaker which is mentioned. It supports true wireless stereo function enabled, so that's one of the features of the speaker. It's waterproof, it's dust proof and short proof as well, and that's primarily because of the IP67 certification that it gets. So it's good to see affordable speakers getting rugged features like this. Then it supports power output of 5 watts. That's something that the speaker supports. It supports Bluetooth version 4.2 for connectivity, so you can connect it to your Android smartphone. You can basically go to your phone setting and pair the speaker whenever it is available for your visibility. It's got built-in microphone for voice calls as well. So let's say if you want to take calls hands-free and you don't want to take out the phone out of your pocket and use the phone to do that, so you can do that as well. And it offers playtime of up to 6 hours at mid volume. So that's primarily the battery backup that you get with this small speaker. So now let's open the box and see what Eleon is offering with this speaker. So as you can see over here, it's got this it's neatly packed inside this wrapper over here, and this is the speaker. It's got this rugged feature, it's got this mesh design and Eleon logo right in the center, and it's got these power controls and the microphone button, the volume button neatly embossed into the speaker on the front itself, and you have this micro USB charging port to charge the device, so whenever it's running out of battery you can just use this. It's neatly enclosed inside this case because it supports IP67 rating, which means that the water doesn't pass through this one. Apart from this, you have this detailed user manual inside the box as well, so it primarily walks you through whatever features and controls you have on the speaker. So let's say if you want to know how to turn on the speaker, how to use the built-in microphone to take hands-free voice calls, so all of them are given in addition to that. So let's say if you're using a Bluetooth speaker for the first time, how do you pair it to your smartphone? You can get all those features as well. Then you have a detailed specification list of the speaker. It supports 5 watt power output, and then you have 4 ohms of speaker impedance, and speaker driver is 45 mm. So all those features are clearly mentioned, and you can basically go through that. In addition to that, this manual also includes the warranty card. So let's say if you have any issue with this speaker and you want to get them sorted, you can go to a nearest service center and get this fixed without any issues, and it will make sure that whatever things are covered in the warranty gets done without any added cost. So that's primarily what you get inside the box with Eleon Megh Bluetooth speaker.